Hello everyone, welcome once again to the Easy Earners Club, where you get to learn how to earn sweatlessly. So in this video I'm going to be showing you very quickly how you will be making between say 15,000 to 50,000 naira with this airdrop. And this is the Soxlayer airdrop. It is just starting, but they are not here to waste any of your time. And for you to join this airdrop app, I'm going to be leaving the link below at the description section below this video. Okay, and so please guys, this thing is a very legit update. Okay, so take it very seriously and don't even sleep on it, because the snapshot is going to be on the 4th of May, which is about, I think, next tomorrow. It's just starting, so they don't want to waste time, as I've mentioned earlier. And claiming will be taking place on the 5th of May, which is the following day after the snapshots. And I think the listing is going to be on the 14th of May this month 2025. So take note of the 3 dates. Okay, but then you need to be on top of this airdrop back to back, in the sense that to keep yourself abreast of what is going on. That is why you need to join our Telegram community and as well as our WhatsApp group. Okay, the link will also be at the description section, so that you will not miss out on any updates. This is happening real time, guys. This is happening real time. Now once you get the link, okay, which is below at the description section, you are going to come up to this place. Okay, so what you want to do is to create your username, put in your email address, put in your password and confirm your password. Okay, and then click on this check, make sure you click on it, and then you create your account. It's very simple and straightforward, and I'm going to be doing that right now, and then I'm going to be showing you what you will be doing. Very simple. See guys, for those of you that did Telegram and all those Telegram airdrop that has been stressing, see, what is really going to bless you is not going to stress you. If you have been discouraged before, it's time to dust off yourself and come up to airdrops like this. All these stand-alone airdrops like this really pay well, and there have been some projects, stand-alone projects like this that have been paying well. And at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you the listing price. I'm going to be revealing to you the listing price that this airdrop is going to be listing at, as well as the various exchanges that they will be listing on. So you really want to watch the end of this video. So guys, as you can see, we are in the dashboard section now. Before I show you what you will be doing, okay, look at this. This is where you can get your referral link. Okay, so you can just go there and then copy your referral link. In this case, this is my own referral link, as well as my referral code. So you are going to be seeing this referral link at the description section below this video. Okay, so let's click on back and check what the task looks like. Now this is the dashboard once again, and if you scroll down, you are going to be seeing that these are they are just simple tasks. You are used to all this kind of tasks. Okay, you can see this one is for 800 socks, this one is for 400 socks, and so on and so on. So that's just how it is. Okay, you have to, if you don't have your X app, that is your Twitter app, you need to have your Twitter app. Okay, register on Twitter and then download the app to make things easy for you. The same thing too with your Discord. So these are the tasks you are going to do, and you'll be coming in every day. Okay, like if you join today, tomorrow you also come in, look for the tasks to do, for the activities to do, and then you do them until 4th of May, I beg your pardon, when a snapshot will be taken, and then 5th of May you will claim, and then the list, and you make your money, honestly. But like, now I did promise that I'm going to mention the listing price. These projects, they are going to be listing at 0.5 cents. Okay, that's 50 cents. So imagine like you have 1,000 of this or thereabouts. or how many thousand of this, you know what that is for you. You understand? Okay, so that means that for you can easily make that 15 or even 50,000 or even much more than that, you know, with this airdrop. Easy money, guys. Don't joke with this thing. Don't let it slip away. Okay, don't let it slip away. Just be serious with it and get it done. And these are the exchanges they will be listing on, as you can see: Bybit, KuCoin, BitGet, MXE, and Gate.io. Okay, so let's just do the first one together. Let's do the first one together. Say like and retweet. Okay, for this, so you simply click on this. You simply click on this. So you can see, click on the X. So if you have your X app, it makes everything easy for you. Your Twitter app. Okay, so the instruction says that what you should what like and read. So you see, we follow it first of all, and then you like. How do you like? You like, click on the like, and then you retweet. You see, retweet. You see, you saw the repost that I clicked. So that's just how to go about it. And then you can see that it has marked this one for us. Look at this, it has marked it for us, and you can see my balance here. It has given me what, 800 socks, right? So those are just what you need to do. Very simple, very straightforward. And then within a week or thereabouts, you get your money, and that is the end of this project. We move on. So guys, the link will be at the description below this section. If you have not joined our Telegram and WhatsApp group, please, you need to join the Telegram and WhatsApp group. And before making the video, a lot of updates would have gone on in the WhatsApp and Telegram group, so that you can easily act fast in case there is an emergency. So the link of our Telegram and WhatsApp group will be at the description section of this video. And this video, please, when you get an update like this, share with your friends, share with your family. Don't just keep it. Don't just clip it, and don't just watch this video and sleep on it. Share with your friends and your family, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. Appreciation to everyone that have subscribed before, but if you have not subscribed, you are coming across this channel, please subscribe and like this video. Let it get more views so that it will reach more and more people. Okay, and all right, this is the Easy Earners Club.